Morning, children. Now I am here with your new chapter, Economic Presence of the Government. And yesterday we have done this chapter. In that, you have studied about the steps taken to provide social and economic justice to all. Then you have taken the planned economy. Then why the planned economy is required for the economic development, growth and development of the country, and about the government efforts for the social upliftment of the people. And in this, the exercise work first we will take. In exercise work, we are having MCQ like always. First, we will do the exercise work. And MCQ, the first one is at least dash of India's population is engaged in agricultural sector, and the correct answer is D, 70%. Then second, the Planning Commission was set up in 1950. B is correct option. B for boy, 1950. Then third, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan aims at universalization of dash, universalization, and of dash, correct answer is A for apple, universalization of elementary education, that is correct option. Then fourth, Zamindari system was abolished in 1954, and the correct answer is C for cat, 1954. Then fifth, dash, industries need limited capital and labor force, and the answer is B, small scale. Small scale industries need limited capital and labor force. Now come to fill in the blanks. First one, the Planning Commission has now been replaced by NITI Ayog, NITI Ayog, and all the letters of NITI will be capital, N capital, I capital, T capital and I capital, NITI Ayog. Second, dash is a new tax levied on supply of goods instead of many indirect taxes. The correct answer is GST, G capital, S capital and T capital, GST. National Rural Drinking Water Program was launched on 1st April 2009. 1st April 2009. Fourth, dash was launched on 2nd October 2014, and the answer is Swachh Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission. When you are writing Swachh Bharat Mission, Swachh S capital, Bharat B capital, Mission F M capital. S, B, M, these three letters will be capital of each word Swachh Bharat Mission. If you will write like that, then only you will get the marks, otherwise marks will be deducted. Then fifth question, dash guarantees 100 days of employment to rural households, and the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. Mahatma M capital, Gandhi G capital, National N capital, Rural R capital, Employment E capital, Guarantee G capital, Act A capital, and 2005. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. Now come to the C section, true or false. Number one, small scale industries in rural area helps check migration for village to city. That's true. Second one, liberalization of the economy was believed to be a hindrance towards economic development. That is false. Third, India followed the example of USA in planning economic development. That is false, because Soviet Union example, the government India has taken the example of Soviet Union. That you can say Russia also. Fourth, the NITI Ayog came up in the year 2017. That is false. NITI Ayog came into being in 2015. Fifth, Skill India aims at providing financial aid for starting business to the youth. That is false. Now come to the question answers, 10 to 20 words. Number 1, define green revolution. And the answer is the new method of farming, high yielding seeds, crop rotation, multiple cropping, use of fertilizers and machines, cropping, multiple cropping, pesticides and irrigation facilities, which resulted in the growth in the production, especially of rice and wheat. In 1970, the whole process, the program, was termed as Green Revolution. And if the question is asked, in between question is asked that name the states which particularly benefited with Green Revolution, and the answer will be Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. That may be in MCQ, it may be asked, different pairs will be told and you have to choose the correct pair, and that is Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. That is in between question in MCQ. Now second question, what is meant by private sector? You take the pen or paper, pencil, I think so that you are ready with pen, paper and pens. If you are using pencil, then with the pencil you are ready. So note down the answer. Private sector meant by the industry or institution which is owned by individuals or the group of individuals. For example, Hindustan Unilever Limited, Reliance, Godrej, etc. Next, what is small scale industry? A small scale industry refers to the industry which use limited capital, for example 10 lakh, maximum of 10 lakh, and the number of workers are also very less. These may be not more than 25 to 30. That is small scale industry. Very less capital is used and less number of workers are working here. When we are talking about the capital, it is not more than 10 lakh, and when we are talking about the workers, they must not be more than 30. Give 2 examples of public sector industries. Question number 4, and the answer is number 1, BHEL, B capital, H capital, E capital and L capital. Then second, ONGC, O capital, N capital, G capital and C capital, ONGC. Now next question, what is meant by demonetization? Demonetization, it is a process. Demonetization is a process to end the corruption and widespread use of black money, in the country In order to curb the situation, then government may announce the removal of some currency notes or may change the face of the currency. In this process, then government may announce to stop the use of some currency, or and for example you can write that in 2016 Narendra Modi has announced the use of 500 and 1000 rupees notes was banned completely. So you can write that in example. Then next question, how many 5-year plans have been completed so far? And the answer is 12 5-year plans, and then you will write the full sentence like that using your knowledge with that since which year 5-year plans were started, and since that year 1951 to 2017 we have completed 12 5-year plans and 13 is in the process. 12 5-year plans are being completed and 13 is in the process. So that's all for today. Have a nice day. And when we are doing in between questions, here some of the abbreviations are also given: IRDP, NREP, JRY, PMRY. You will make a table of that, and in that table you will write the abbreviation, and then on the other side you will write the full form, and keep it safely with you because it will be used for you in the 9th and 10th standard. Wherever you are finding the abbreviations, you will do that. It will be used for your future studies. So have a nice day. We'll meet again with the next topic.